Time for our segment D Street Chatter. Nimesh is now joining in with what he's picking up from people he's been sort of speaking with, and I mean generally the mood out there. Nimesh, take it away.
Hi Prashant. So finally it looks like India is joining the global sell-off. So we actually was not the part of it yesterday, but today it looks like we've joined the party on the sell side. And the bigger pain is in the broader markets. The mid-cap index is down over 3%, small cap down 4%. The breadth is weak, and a lot of individual names have seen very sharp sell-off today. So that's a bit of a jolt from a sentiment point of view, that the broader markets have collapsed very sharply in today's market. Within sectors, metals, pharma and IT are the worst performing sectors. But within that, my sense is that the biggest sell-off is happening in the IT stocks. So for the second day running, I understand there is aggressive selling from larger institutions in the IT names. And clearly, from a flow perspective, it looks like there is a shift happening from IT to financial. So that's clearly a shift from a flow perspective. On the upside, I've been talking about 23,800 as a very strong resistance. Now on the downside, 23,100 could be a bit of a near-term support on the Nifty. So watch out for that levels. But clearly, if there is a global risk on, I guess India too will be part of it, and there could be further pain in the broader market stocks.
That's already happening from today, Nimesh. But have you picked up anything on individual stocks?
Well, despite all the sell-off, there are a lot of stocks which are buzzing, and there is a lot of news as well. So the first stock on my list today is Samman Capital. Very rarely we talk about this name now. It's like a forgotten stock almost at 52-week low, not much traction as well. But now I understand there could be some corporate development in Samman Capital very soon. Potentially, there could be some top management reject, which could be interesting to track from here on. So that's the first name. The second stock is Polycab. Within the wire and cable names, this is one stock which is under pressure, largely on back of selling pressure. So there is delivery-based selling, and I understand a leading domestic mutual fund is looking to trim the stake there in Polycab. So that's the reason why that stock is under pressure today. Third is a couple of pharma names. While we flashed that Trump's comment on pharma and the stocks, while that has recovered from the intraday lows, but there is selective buying in pharma names at lower levels. So Sun Pharma and Lupin both stands out in terms of small buying, but there is buying interest from large institutions in the pharma names. And the last is Bharat Forge. We spoke about the Morgan Stanley downgrade. The stock is under pressure. There is selling as well from large institutions. And there was a Morgan Stanley tactical sell as well. So that's adding pressure on Bharat Forge in today's market.
Okay, all right. Interesting names there and an interesting chatter as Nimesh is picking up. Nimesh, see you at 3:30 on Editors Roundtable. Well, we'll take a quick commercial break here. We get you some short-term trading ideas on the other side. Stay with us.